All right, folks, we're so thrilled to see that snow pretty much gone. What we need you to do now is check and see around the house how that old concrete held up this winter. Well, Mike Washington and the crew from Ivy Lea Construction can create for you a new patio, steps, a driveway, walkway, anything you need before that busy summer season. So, Mike, welcome back.
Hey, thanks for having us.
You know, sometimes when you take a good look around, that concrete took a beating.
Yeah, you know, this is really the time. The snow is finally all gone. You can get out, really see what's going on with your driveway, your walkways, your public walkways are another thing to really look at since you are responsible for taking care of those. Make sure there's no trip points out there. And then also see if the salt did any damage to your concrete.
Yeah.
This is really the time to look at it. If you already have stamped concrete, this is also the season to usually clean and then reseal. So that's beautiful for the summer. Or if you need new concrete, we're here for you.
Absolutely. And you know, we had that a vicious freeze thaw season. So I mean, you can see what it's done to the roads. You can just imagine that you know, your driveway and your patio area just may need a little bit of help. Now, you have a standard procedure when it comes to concrete work that really is above and beyond what other companies do. Yeah,
we're really going to take out the concrete all the way down to the subbase and start with a brand new subbase. A real good, strong subbase is going to help with, as long as it's compacted properly, with settlement and cracks. It's really a very important part of the steps. And then inside the concrete, we're going to put 6x6 wire mesh in for reinforcing, and then to go ahead and actually pour our 4,500 PSI concrete. That's going to actually be mixed right on the job site, so we're getting the mix that we want exactly right.
Right. Now, Mike, when it comes to those beautiful patios I'm looking at, you even take care of the pitch so the rain goes away.
For sure, yeah. We always want to make sure we're pitching water, gravity, away from the house, away from the foundations. All our stoops, all our steps, that we're making sure that the heights of the steps are proper, that the depths of the treads on the steps are proper, so the proper gate as you're walking up a set of stairs, there's no problem there, all the meet code.
I'm just loving the fact that look at how much more living room this family has with this stamped concrete patio. You can put a set of chairs and a table. You can put an awning back there. It just opens up that whole beautiful area. In this case, look, they've got woods in the back. Why not get out there and enjoy it?
Yeah, we really talk about that. How do we bring the outside, the inside to the outside and actually have a multi-use space? We really have beautiful seasons here, and then you should be able to take advantage of them. Like this weekend, it was finally warm enough to get out and take a look and see what's going on. And then from here all the way into the fall.
Right.
You know, this is another patio we did, couple different levels there. Stamped concrete again, stained border going around with a stair going all the way around that. Nice pergola up there for sitting under, a little bit of shade with that pergola, but it's not a total structure attached to your house. And there's so many different options we have. Aggregate, that's an exposed aggregate set of stairs there. All the aluminum railings we do, so they're going to be maintenance free. They kind of give you the old world look there with the exposed concrete with the maintenance free aluminum rail that kind of looks like old steel railings, or it's a really nice look, and it's also maintenance free. Don't have to worry about it.
And you put that little roof over that door, right?
Yep, that
just
little roof.
A little something.
Yeah, and then obviously driveways. We do tons of driveways, full driveways. We can go from the public walk or go all the way down to the street to do the apron. Usually the apron and the public walk we're going to make 6 inches, and then the rest of the driveway we're going to do 4 or 5, depending on the needs.
I love the fact that here you actually made another space for that truck. They had the room. And so, you know, it opens up their whole driveway. Just take a look at how beautiful this looks. And the colors now, you can pretty much get anything. And Mike also puts a substance in so it's not slippery.
Yes, we definitely do. Shark Grip's going to go on all our stamp and exposed work today. It gives you a good traction. It's like putting in the old days you would put sand in paint on a front porch. It's the same idea, same concept.
Well, folks, this is the time to get your job on the schedule, okay? So if you like them on Facebook for valuable coupons this month, you can take up to $900 off your project or take advantage of their 24-month 0% interest financing option. Thank you, Mike.
Thank you.
And I can just imagine how beautiful all these new patios are going to start looking around Western New York. All right, everybody, we got a little rain coming down, a little fog out there. Be careful. Here's Mike's information. We're going to thank you for watching, and we will see you tomorrow back here on AM Buffalo. Have a